Good morning there, everybody. Today I'm going to make a very little small short video. Lots of people use Instagram, right? But most people that use Instagram, they use cell phone, right? This one is cracked a few weeks after I got it. You're using a PC. Some people use PC. Most people that make videos have a PC because it's easier to do with editing. But some of them say they can't put their photographs on Instagram with it, but that's not true. It's very simple to put photos up from your PC to your Instagram, and I'll show you right now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you see we don't have any plus down here to add photos normally on your PC. So we want to make the computer think it's there. I just go on to normal Instagram, there's still no plus there. I want to make the computer into a cell phone. So just back to my own there. You click down and then you click more tools and you click then developer tools down here. So then you may need to toggle between PC and mobile device here. So now you have up on the top what developer you want. You can check, you can make it look like an iPhone or a Galaxy or whatever, or just responsive. We just leave it as responsive for now. So what we have to do then, you have to refresh. And when you refresh, see down here on the bottom, we have our plus. So the very same as our cell phone or our tab or whatever. Just to prove this, we press the plus and we'll put a photograph up. So I'll put one of Kira, my daughter. We'll put that one, just put that one up. There you go. And press next. Up here, next. Same as that you would on your cell phone. And then put in your caption, just put in Kira. And then share. And there it is up. Just to prove it's up here, that's on home. I'll just click on my own thing, and there we have it on this one. So it's that simple. If you want to get rid of it, you can take the text off at the side. But if you want to get rid of it, all you do is refresh like this. So it's gone now because I refreshed the page. Okay. And then we're back to normal. So that's the end of that short video here on how to use Instagram on your PC and to put photos up without having to. I presumed everybody knew how to do this, but a couple of people told me they didn't know how to do it, so I said I'll make a quick video on it. And thank you for watching. Next, be doing carpentry video next. I think I have one planned for next week. And for most of my friends, I haven't been online much lately, but hopefully I'll be back online soon. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.